Well, we're just a little bit south of Redlodge, heading up toward the Beartooth Pass. We haven't gotten up very far into the mountains yet. It's a beautiful morning. It is, what time here? It's 10 after 9 here, 10:10 Central Time. Jeff's still got his helmet on because he doesn't want to hurt himself when this white water down here hit his head on a rock or something. There he goes. Well, I just thought you were still wearing your helmet because you're afraid you're going to slip and hit your head on a rock down here.
Well, that'll happen. It could happen.
It could happen, yes. I got video. This is all video. Go ahead and stand there.
Okay.
I'll get some. The neat thing about this camera is you can take still shots while you're videoing.
Okay, nice.
So let's see here.
This would be a great campsite.
Yeah.
Want me to get you?
Except you'd never get any sleep.
Yeah. Is it still recording?
Yeah. You can hit the big button to take a still shot.
Okay. You're gonna have to edit that out. Nice. You get. Nice.